Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, June 12. And ang topic po natin for today is madalas ba magselos ang partner mo or jealousy? So ating scripture for today po is Exodus chapter 34 verse 14. Do not worship any other God, for the Lord whose name is jealous is a jealous God. So, ano po ba yung jealousy? Jealousy. So, yung jealousy daw po is when we speak of God's jealousy, we're not referring to petty or envy or insecurity. Instead, it is the holy and righteous desire of God to protect what belongs to Him, His glory, His people, and His covenant. God is jealous for His name because it is perfect and worthy of all honor. He is jealous for His people because they are His treasured possessions. This divine jealousy is a reflection of His love and justice. It moves Him to act when His name is dishonored or when His people turn to idols. So, bakit nga daw po nagselos ang ating Panginoon yung, or yung kung i-relate po natin is selos ng ating mga partner. So, ibig sabihin lang po ng selos ng ating Panginoon is we turn to other idols. Ibig sabihin, yung nandito na yung Diyos natin. Kunwari, ito po, kunwari, siya, pabango ko. Nandito na yung the best na pabango. Pero napipili ko pa humanap pa ng iba pang pabango. So, anong ibig sabihin po ito? So, ibig sabihin na imbis na siya na lang is maghahanap pa ako ng iba, even though the best to. Ganun rin po yung sa sinasabi po ng ating Panginoon na nandito na ako, ano pa ba yung hahanapin mo? Bakit ka pa naghahanap ng iba kung yung plano ko sa buhay mo, yung the best, yung mga gusto ko na matupad mo is the best, diba? Hindi na sa kung anong false idol na minsan kalaban or palagi is kalaban pa or demon. So, ayun po yung selos na sasabi ng ating Panginoon. So, teachings natin is God's jealousy is to protect His glory. Ibig sabihin, bakit mo i-honor yung ibang idols kung ang ating Panginoon lang ang yung dapat na i-worship or i-glorify, diba? So, second teaching po is God's jealousy is for us, not against us. Kasi alam nga po ng ating Panginoon yung the best na plano, bagay, or yung lahat ng information natin is alam naman po ng ating Panginoon dahil siya po yung nag-create sa atin. So, third teaching is God's jealousy treasures covenant relations. Ibig sabihin, yung pinanghawakan ng ating Panginoon, yung dapat ating panghawakan sa Kanya is, ayun po yung pinapahalaga ng ating Panginoon. Kasi treasure, ibig sabihin yung promise. So, ayun lang po, si Godfrey Quizon. And this is my devotion for today, June 12. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Hanggang sa muli po. Paalam and